Very good afternoon to you all, and if you're looking for a beautiful lakeview frontline villa within Andalucia, then obviously you've come to the right place. Okay, we are looking at Villa Marion, brand new exclusive listing. It's a fixed price property, this one. It's, I think, priced very well, very realistically. We've got a 2-bed, 2-bath, 1-level villa with pool, frontline, lakeview. Okay, so look at the lakes and mountains. Beautiful area, very, very quiet. There is pretty much zero road noise on this urbanisation. Just pending urban status at the moment. But we have got tarmac roads, main services, water, electric, and it's a circular road with various houses within that circle, but westerly facing. And here is Villa Marion. Okay, so what we have is basically next door we have a potential plot. There will be potentially a building on this plot, perhaps 1 or 2, but yeah, that's basically obviously one of the situations regarding urban status, and that might not happen for a number of years. Obviously next door already exists, but we have a gated entrance with driveway for probably about 4 vehicles actually. We've got lights within the pillars there, which obviously you could put motors on, that's not a problem at all. And then what we have is like a kind of bunkered terrace, I call this. It's kind of out the wind. Obviously we are on top of the hill here, so you will get some degree of wind. You can't have it all. But yeah, basically this lower terrace here lends itself, it's sheltered, you've got big retaining walls all the way around you. And then under here, under the pool terrace, this is a kind of workshop, storeroom. It is obviously quite a short height, but what you've got also is a brand new pool pump there. Okay, that's all immaculate and easy to access for the pool that's above that we're going to see. But yeah, basically got some really nice kind of units there for storage. Little tool storage, what have you. But yeah, very nice kind of useful space. Okay, and then as we lead up, I'm going to go through this way. Okay, so we've got printed concrete driveway. At the end, we've got carport with the awnings. That's all in place, and yeah, beautiful. Okay, at the back there, there's another terrace with a kind of covered wooden structure, which we'll see. But I really want to show you the view. Okay, because this is what it's all about. Okay, we are literally 5 minutes from amenities in the car. You can walk there, but you've got frontline, westerly facing, lake and mountain views, beautiful terrace here, again with all the toldos that retract and roll down. So that becomes like another extension of your lounge, which is just behind me here. And then we're on to the pool. Okay, so those steps lead just down from that little bunker terrace down there. Okay, you've got plants in and some nice established trees, bougainvillea, palm trees, what have you, but it's not actually too high maintenance. Okay, this is the view essentially from the master bedroom. Okay, so you've got lake, pool and mountain views. It is ridiculously really nice. Okay, now obviously the advantages of being here on the boundary here, obviously you could plant certain trees if, you know, as and when a building does go ahead, so you're screened off. But this, again, there's so many different terraces around this very nice 2-bed, 2-bath property. Bougainvillea there. It is beautiful. Now, I've got a feeling at the background you can see just Mount Maroma in the distance there. We've just sold this property here. That's just being reformed. Work-wise, there's minimal amount of work to do to this property. Certain upgrades were done on the bathrooms, and both internally and externally, it's all good. I'd say the kitchen is the only thing where you could obviously replace the doors, have them wrapped, or indeed put a new kitchen in. But we'll get round to that in a second. But yeah, basically the pool is in great order. You've got corner steps, it's a chlorine pool. Okay, and then obviously below here is where that workshop is. Outdoor shower, guttering is in, There is also air conditioning. Okay, that's your patio door off the lounge, which I'll show you in a second. But yeah, you can see the volume of kind of hard landscaping, as in terracing, walls. It's a fully walled plot. Here is the kind of elevated terrace with this covered, really nice, kind of tucked away again. If you want to read a book or just take in the views, then there's so many places to do it. So again, retaining wall here. You've got some nice palm trees, and we've got a beautiful day for filming. Okay, so off the carport parking area, very practical. You literally unload your shopping and you're into the kitchen, the fridge and storage. Okay, so this is the original kitchen. Okay, it's big. Okay, I've got to say, compared to some certainly new builds, they're a third of the size of this. But yeah, we've got the door leading through there into the lounge. All appliances are in. Microwave doesn't work. Okay, just so that you're aware, that's the only appliance that does not work. You've got a nice solid wooden front door there. Again, typically kind of Andalucian. So we've got dishwasher in, washing. There's a new washing machine just here. Plenty of scope for a little upgrade, or indeed a new kitchen if you feel that's required. So through into a separate lounge diner. Okay, so we've got dining area here. Again, there's fly screens on all the windows and doors, but really, really nice freestanding wood burner. Okay, it's a nice feature there. And you've got loads of lights. You've got plenty of windows, plenty of light flooding in, air conditioning in the top corner there, and then through onto your covered terrace. It really, really works so well. And I can tell you now, there's a guarantee that no one will build on that land on the other side of the road. That is rustic land. Okay, so obviously the lawyers will double check that and you know, kind of reinforce what I'm stating. But certainly, look, you can see the reservoir, the dam in the distance there. But you can't hear any road noise, that's for sure. Okay, so let's now go through into the sleeping quarters. Okay, so here, this is the general shower room. Okay, so we've got modernized kind of sink and units, loo, window, good sized corner shower, fair size. Again, what's nice about this, although it's 2 bedrooms, is the size of the rooms are really quite nice. So this is the second bedroom. Again, there's scope. If you wanted to, you could put a patio door in here, and then you're going to open it out straight onto lake and pool views. But yeah, that's quite easy to do. Fitted wardrobes in both the bedrooms, fans. Again, everything's up to order. You know, you can obviously modernise. There's no limit as to where you can modernise, but this is the master ensuite. So again, huge shower. That is a really, really like double shower essentially, but really kind of well appointed. Again, extra large kind of sink and units, windows in there, and then you've got a really good sized room. And this is where, like I say, from this point here, you can see bed, pool, lake, mountains. It kind of ticks a lot of boxes if you're looking for that type of property, which most people are. Now, furniture-wise, there will be some negotiable, but not all. So we can just discuss that upon inquiry. But yeah, this is what we're looking at. Villa Marion. The price of this property is listed as a fixed price, 289,500. Okay, so that's 289,000 euros, 500. If you want to make an inquiry to come and view the property, then please contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed you view our website, VillaSolutions.net. Thank you.